Single bracket, we always multiply the term directly outside by each term directly inside the single bracket. Here, a times a will give us a squared, and a times negative 5 will give us negative 5a. Question 2, here we're asked to expand and simplify. We know expand means to multiply out, i.e. to remove our brackets. If we see a plus or a minus in between brackets, we know they're separate. So in this case, I've got two single brackets. Just like before, when expanding single brackets, I multiply the term directly outside a single bracket by each term directly inside. Here, 3m times 5m will give us 15m squared. 3m times negative 9 will give us negative 27m. Expanding our second single bracket here on the right, the term directly outside is negative 2. So negative 2 times m will give us negative 2m, and negative 2 times negative 1 will give us plus 2. A reminder, a negative times negative will always give us a positive outcome. We now come to simplify, which means to collect like terms. Like terms are the same combination of letters. Here we have 15m squared and no other term ending in m squared, so we simply copy that down. I now come to collect my single letter of m. Here I've got negative 27m, subtract another 2m, which was simplified to give us negative 29m, and I've still got plus 2 that I must place on the end. For question 3, here we're asked to expand and simplify. 3y minus 5 in brackets, all squared. Well, we know squared means multiplied by itself, so my first step is to write out my bracket twice. Expanding using the FOIL method, F stands for first. We multiply the first term in each bracket together. 3y multiplied by 3y will give us 9y squared. O stands for outside. We multiply the outside term in each bracket together. Here 3y times negative 5 will give us negative 15y. I stands for inside. We multiply our two inside terms together. Negative 5 times 3y will give us negative 15y. And L stands for last. We multiply the last term in each bracket together. Here negative 5 times negative 5 will give us positive 25. Now I'll come to simplify, which means to collect like terms. Like terms have the same combination of letters. Here I have 9y squared and no other term ending in y squared. I have negative 15y, subtract another 15y, which was simplified to give me negative 30y, and I've still got plus 25 that I must place on the end.